Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Most of us know artificial intelligence through tools like ChatGPT, but what if the technology behind it was built right here in Jamaica? That's the ambition of Amber Group through its new National AI Lab. The company is working to develop what it describes as Jamaica's first locally built large language model, or LLM. That's the same type of artificial intelligence, AI, that powers tools like ChatGPT by understanding and generating human language. But Amber says this isn't just about teaching people how to use AI, it's about teaching Jamaicans how to build it. Jamaica has traditionally paid to use software and AI developed overseas, which meant the ownership, intellectual property, and economic benefits largely remained in foreign markets. Amber Group's goal is to train local engineers to build AI agents, automated workflows, and eventually AI technology that Jamaica owns. One of the lab's biggest ambition is creating what it calls a cultural large language model, LLM. Instead of relying on AI trained mainly on information from overseas countries, Amber wants a model that understands Jamaican language, patois, business regulations, and Caribbean consumer behavior. That means businesses, government agencies, and even schools could eventually use AI that's designed with Jamaica in mind, rather than trying to adapt overseas technology to local needs. And the opportunity goes beyond Jamaica. Amber says once the technology has been developed and tested, it plans to use its operations across 5 continents to market and license Jamaican-built AI solutions internationally, creating what it sees as a new technology export industry. That won't happen overnight, though. The first cohort of 150 participants will spend the first 6 months learning AI engineering before moving into real-world software development during the second half of the 1-year program. Future cohorts are expected to open in early 2027 and will be available to high school and university graduates, working professionals, and entrepreneurs. According to Amber, applicants won't need previous coding experience. Instead, selection will be based on aptitude, discipline, and problem-solving ability. That's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Thanks for watching.